Today, I want to introduce you to some technology on the Starline website that can help create great idea books, little mini catalogs for online presentation. I'm going to take up a little bit of your time, but I'm going to share my screen and go first to the Starline homepage. On this, you'll see Idea Board. I'm going to click on Idea Board, and this will come up. I can add products in the industry that my customer is in. I've decided to make an idea book today for the healthcare industry. My customer's in the healthcare industry, so I'm going to add these products to my idea board. It is populated it with 19 items, and now I can go through and decide which ones I would like to keep and which ones I don't care about. Page 2, don't like that, or that, or that, or this, or this. Okay, so now I've gotten it down to 11 items. Now, perhaps there's some things that I would like to add, so I can go off the idea board, go to the products, decide anywhere in here what items I would like, and I can add them to them. I like some of the new bags, for instance, from Starline, so I can add these just by clicking on idea board. I'm going to take one of the new backpacks as well and add it. So now you'll see instead of 11, there's now 14 items. So now I can open it again and those items will be populated. The idea here now is to create a custom look for the customer that I'm marketing to. So I'm going to now take these 14 items and I'm going to upload the custom artwork that I've chosen. I could have a list of all my customers here with their logos. And this company is called Medicare. And I'm going to open this and it will now populate all the pieces that I've chosen with their logo. One of the great things about drinkware now is that we have both really nice laser engraving or the true color options, and I can change this. So if I go to here, I can now pick laser engraving and that logo will become a laser engraved logo. And now you can see on these two different drinkware pieces how it would look either way. And there's the items that I've chosen. So now what I want to do, and this is the new technology, is I want to select all. So I've got all 14 pieces, and now I'm going to turn this into an idea book. And the logo that I chose will end up on the cover of the book. And because I chose medical, the medical cover will come up. The great thing about this is that I can actually take this and I can make any theme that I want. There's a bunch of them here to choose from. There's just lifestyle, agricultural, drinkware, construction. There's a blank one if you wanted to put your logo or someone else's logo in there, or a picture of something that they do specifically. But we're going to stick with the medical on this one. And now I can show you that each page comes up with their logo and how it's going to look on each product. And the good thing about this is that I can take the fields from any one of these and I can get rid of anything on there. I can get rid of the product name. I can get rid of the product code. I can get rid of the product details if that's what you want. If you want to do your own pricing, you can get rid of the price details. One of the things that's on the bottom of every page is a Starline URL. Perhaps that's something you don't want in your idea book. And then you can, again, change the cover however you want it. So now I think I'm happy with the way this looks. I'm going to keep all the fields on each page available to the customer. And I'm going to create this idea book. And I can do one of two things with this. I can have a PDF or I can share it as a link. I like personally to do the PDF because if I share it as a link, the link again goes through Starline. So I'm going to create a PDF and this will come up and I will be able to save the PDF and save. Now that PDF will be on my computer. It shows me where, and I can now change this, obviously change the name to whatever I want. And I'm going to say idea book, Medicare, save. And now I can email that to anyone, and this will pop up and they can go through the ideas that I've created for them. So hopefully that is an introduction for you into the new software that Starline has for creating idea books.